Struggling to grow on YouTube without knowing what keywords actually work? Here's exactly how to install VidIQ in under 2 minutes. So here's the plan. We're going to open up Chrome, find the extension in the web store, and add it with just a few clicks. That's it. Super straightforward. All right, first things first. Go ahead and open up Google Chrome. You probably already have it sitting in your taskbar or dock. Just click that icon and let it load up. This is the foundation for everything we're about to do, so make sure you're in the Chrome browser, not Safari or Edge. Now, look up to the very top right corner of your browser window. See those 3 little dots stacked vertically? That's the Chrome menu button. Go ahead and click on it. This is where all the main settings and tools for Chrome live, so you'll be coming back here for a lot of things. From that menu, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. Don't click it just yet, just hover over it. A smaller side menu will pop out. This is the quick access menu for all the little add-ons you have installed. In that side menu, you'll see an option near the bottom that says Visit Chrome Web Store. Click on that. This is where you go to find all the official extensions for Chrome. Think of it like an app store, but just for your browser. Once the web store loads up, you'll see a search bar at the very top left. Click into that bar and type the word VidIQ. Hit enter or just click the search icon. You'll see a bunch of results pop up, but don't get distracted. We're looking for the official one. Look for the result that says VidIQ Vision for YouTube. That's the main free extension that gives you all the keyword research and analytics you need. Click on that one to open up its details page. Now, on that details page, you'll see a big blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click on it. Chrome might pause for a second to think about it, but that's totally normal. A little pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm. It lists what the extension can access and do. Just click the button that says Add Extension, and once you do that, you're all set. The extension will download and install in just a second. So there you go. You now have VidIQ installed and ready to go on your Chrome browser. You can start using its keyword research tools and analytics right away. To access it, just look up at the top right of your browser for the little VidIQ icon. Click on that, sign in or create a free account, and you're off to the races. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.